Hello, I'm Nicholas, and I'm very excited to show you my project for the Supernova Hackathon. I call it DOAP, and it's the port of POAP exists on Ethereum to the internet computer. DOAP are a way to prove that you had an active participation at an event. You can reward your users for attending a webinar, being a person in meetup, or doing something for the community. Let me show you how it works. All right, this is the homepage of DOAP. You can do different things. You can either create an event or check events that are already here. Let's start by creating an event. When you create an event, you have to give it a name, a description, and a URL if your event exists. So let's say we want to distribute DOAPs for our Supernova Hackathon. So awesome hackathon. I see. I forgot the URL, but I think it was devpost.com, and I have a URL here. That's a supernova image that I found, and then you have different setup for different type of event. If you want your event to be open to everybody, if they have to enter a secret code, if you want to put some time restriction on when to claim it. But right now, I don't need to put any restriction. I'm not connected, so it's going to ask me to connect with my wallet. And over here, authorize through Stoic Wallet my app to connect with it. And now that I'm authorized and connected, I can create an event. You see that it's spinning, so it's calling our backend made in Motoko to create the event in our canister. And when we're ready, this is DOAP homepage. You can see right now, you can do different things. You can see all the events that are already existing. If you want to discover somewhere you can get a DOAP or create your own event. But maybe let's start by connecting our wallet and authenticate ourselves. So we authorize through Stoic Wallet, we come back, and now we can go and create an event. So let's say we want to create an event for the Supernova Hackathon, and I'm going to name it 2 because I think I already have one here. So awesome hackathon for IC community. We can put the website here, so supernovadevpost.com, and then the URL. Right now, a URL hosted anywhere you want on the web. Eventually, here we can upload and get the images directly into a canister. You also have options in how you want people to claim your event and the DOAPs. Do you want something that it's open, everybody can claim it? Do you want something that requires a secret code, so you make sure that people get a secret code that you mentioned in a webinar or during an event? Or do you want to put a time limit so it's only available during a certain period of time? For us, for this example, we're just going to make it open. It's very easy. All right, so let's click create. This is spinning and it's about to create our event. And boom, our event has been created. It has called our backend in Motoko to add this event to the list of events we have. And this is a link that we can share already with our community. This page directly with your community, and they will land here and be able to claim their DOAP directly. So they just have to click on the DOAP button, and this is going to send a request, and we should have the DOAP on our account now. If we refresh the page, we see that now there's a new owner and that we have already claimed that DOAP. You also see that here I have a special admin function because I'm the creator of that DOAP. And so if I want, I can pause and toggle the claiming of the DOAP anytime I want. So I can do that right now. Similar thing is going to call our backend in Motoko to make sure that no one else can claim it. We have restrictions, so only one person could claim one DOAP ever. And right, so now that I've claimed my DOAP, I can show it to the world. It's on my wallet. It's over there. And I can see here on the list of who has owned this. And I can also go explore and see new events if I want to see where can I get some auto dopes. Those are mostly events that I have created. You can see which ones are active and when they were created. So for example, we can check the one at this school birthday party, and we see the description of the event. And if we want, we can claim it. And because I haven't claimed it, I'm able to claim it just right away here. Now, if we have to talk about the tech and how it's made, it's powered by Motoko in the backend, React in the front end. We are basing the NFT storage and communication using the DEEP 721 specification. We also have a special canister to keep track of the events. And we're using the Stoic wallet for everything around authentication and identity. Now that we've seen how it works, I have two things left to tell you. First, how it's working in the tech behind the scenes. So everything is powered by Motoko on the back end and React in the front end. We are using the DEEP 721 for the NFT specification on the Internet Computer with a dedicated canister for manipulating the events and storing the events data. We are also using Stoic Wallet for everything around authentication and identity. Now, the last thing is the things that we could improve and where we can go with this project. Right now, it works with URLs for assets. As I mentioned, it will be awesome if we can upload things and upload them directly to the Internet Computer. Setting up also a limit for the number of DOAP you can claim per event. Let the owner decide this. Have a system for you as an owner of creator of this event to manually grant a DOAP and everything around it and what the community wants to see. So I hope you like this project, and I hope you can see a future in this. Thank you.